A big thing for me, because again, I'm a single owner shop, one person shop, is the kind of family atmosphere that not only the company brings, but the other installers bring too. I mean, everybody here this past weekend is looking to help you out, and pass on tips. Whether you've been doing this for 20 years or 2 weeks, it didn't really matter. It was quite engaging, actually.
I think that the training that Fireball offers definitely can give you an advantage over some of your competition in the industry. In the detailing industry, things are constantly changing, and Fireball has found ways to adapt and overcome those changes. This training experience will improve our business moving forward because it's given us new perspective on the total detailing and ceramic coating process. It has showed us new ways to implement some of these products and services into our sales pitch and into our everyday service list.
Learning what I've learned will allow me to implement new processes, new procedures, and allow me to streamline things, especially coating application. Seeing how it's applied, the correct amount of coating to apply on a panel, those types of things will allow me to be more efficient, more effective.
Training is everything. When you say you can't teach an old dog a new trick, that's just not true. Everybody can learn something. Technology changes, and just because someone's been doing this for 15, 20 years doesn't mean they can't do something to improve. You need to know as an installer how to apply Fireball coatings. And if you do what you're trained to do, it's going to work. It's not going to fail.
There's more than just standard detailing. The finer details in going into this job, and you can just learn more and just expand your knowledge, and it will just lead to bigger and better things. It's a teacher-student situation that's just genuine. It's just a genuine environment.
So the biggest thing that we're taking away from this experience is that Fireball has a product for every purpose, and each of those products serve their purpose very well. Fireball creates a streamlined process for the total detailing experience.